One of Amazon's biggest sales secrets is hiding in plain sight, and it's called your storefront. Let's go over 5 tips to boost your sales with your storefront. And you can see right here with our client's storefront, they're making $13,000 extra in sales with their storefront, right? So Amazon organically promotes your storefront. It shows up on Google. So there's a lot of different things. And if we can actually look at the insights of this data, and it like shows you all the data. So what page did the best, $24 per visitor. So every visitor, they're making like $24 in sales by day. A lot of good stuff, but it just shows you that there's a huge amount of potential with this, right? But what you want to do first is look and understand what is a good storefront and then mimic that. That's going to be my first recommendation. It's going to make it super easy. So just go to Amazon.com right here and then /Samsung, right? So you can see Samsung storefront. That's all you have to do. Amazon.com /Samsung. And then you're going to see their storefront right here. Now we're going to go through it. And it literally has Samsung at the top, very clean, crisp. It's got all of the pages you can visit. You can also follow them. It's got a live stream going. You can purchase the products, all the products they offer, right? Click, buy. Let's see if we click on memory. Click on memory. It takes us to the memory and storage page. Let's say I want a solid state drive. And then you can purchase all of their solid state drives here. So pretty solid. So you can see what it looks like. They also have Advil is another good one, where you can see what it looks like. You can purchase their click on this, purchase their product, right? This one's just Amazon.com /Advil. Not too hard to access these websites, right? But the first thing you're going to do when you decide to create your site on Amazon is you're going to ensure that images are HD and the correct size. It's going to be the basics, right? But you really want to make sure. So if we're on Amazon right now, and we're going to access our store, you're going to go to stores, manage stores. So you're going to click on that, and then it'll take you here, and you should be able to create your store. If you don't see anything, then you need to register your brand, and then you can create a store. Click create a store, and you can get started with the creation process. But right now I'm going over some tips, and utilizing Canva is going to be our tip number 1 in this video. So Canva is great. You can see right here, this is canva.com, and it is free. They do have a paid version, but the free version, you can make anything, different sizes, resize everything, different pixelations, and this is what's going to help you in the long run on Amazon and getting great images, great pixel sizes, right? And then number 2 is going to be ensuring all of your images on your store are mobile optimized. A lot of people are shopping via mobile, and Amazon does not automatically optimize it for you. So you can see right here, there's a mobile section. When you finish your brand store, this is what the back end of the brand store looks like. But you're going to click mobile, and then you can see how much different it actually looks on mobile. It's got just like random hands, and it's got like stuff. You want to really make sure it's completely optimized when you're using it for mobile, and all the images look good on mobile as well, and it's in the correct order. A lot of the times it's going to look amazing on desktop, right? It's going to look so good on desktop, but then on mobile it just looks terrible. And you've got to realize 60% of people are buying on mobile with Amazon. That's most of the majority. So you really want to double check that at the end of the day, right? Next is number 3, which is to optimize your header image. We saw Samsung's super basic, super clean. Just make sure your header is not cluttered, and then make sure it's mobile optimized as well, right? So nothing crazy on that. Here's a header, and then we just pretty much mimic Samsung's, right? Bioref biodegradables. That's the header image. So you can click and then review your header image right here, header, and then making sure your mobile header is also the correct size, right? Making sure the mobile one looks good as well. Nothing's cut off. It's all centered and it looks great, right? So make sure that's good. We've got the next one. Number 4 is to add your call to action right at the top. Now, Samsung does this extremely well. This is how you're generating more sales, how our clients generating more sales, is we're making sure the call to action, right when they get on this page, right? We're scrolling down, look, they can order right here. They click, boom, they buy. It's that easy. They've got the products are right at the top, the call to actions right at the top. It makes it so easy because customers are here to spend money. They're not here to look at your beautiful images, right? So you really want to make sure you've got your call to action to the top, not all the way at the bottom, right? We still need to work on that for multiple clients, but a lot of our clients that are generating a lot of sales, we're making sure these are being optimized because we see how much potential these storefronts have on Amazon. So make sure you're optimizing it and you're taking your time, right? Number 5 is to provide alternatives to menu navigation. So review the dropdown on the desktop versus mobile and make sure it's optimized. So this is the desktop, right? And then the mobile, this is what it's going to look like. And again, I'll just show you, of course, because maybe you're like, okay, all the images are optimized now. Sweet, it looks good. Okay, but how do I get to the other pages, right? Where's my other, look on desktop, page, page, page. Where's the pages on mobile, right? Where are they at? How do I access them? Why do I not see them, right? So you really need to triple check that side. So we're gonna do a preview on mobile and it's gonna pop up right here. Okay. And this is when we do preview on mobile, now we actually have to send it to our mobile device and make sure that the dropdown is showing up with all of the menu icons, because if it's not, then we didn't properly set up the menus for mobile as well. And that's a big problem. If they can only see the home page and they're clicking throughout and they're stuck, that's where they're gonna leave and never come back. And you don't want that at the end of the day. So make sure that your menu navigation is also optimized for mobile viewing. And Amazon even says this, and making sure that everything's optimized for mobile. You can see the difference for that. Now, that's it in a nutshell. Those are our top 5. But of course, you want to make sure you're generating more sales. If you need an audit, you can go right to the link in the description, get a free listing audit from us, fill this out. We're going to look at your top competitors, exactly what you can do and top improvements so you can improve your listing, your brand store, your sales, and overall make more money on Amazon, because it's the tiny changes that make the most, especially an extra $13,000 a month on a storefront could be a game changer for your business. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.